Welcome back. I'm your host, Darnell Jackson. In this video, we're going to be talking about 4 amazing apps to help you automate your business. They're on the screen right now for you impatient people. Make sure you subscribe at howwhy.ai. If you didn't screen print the last screen, I will send you the list of awesome apps. The website is all about how to grow your business with artificial intelligence. Now, what we're talking about today: 4 automation AI apps to crush your competition. Share this video with your good friends. I'm going to go into a little bit on how to use these apps. I already gave you the apps. If you don't have patience, let's jump over to the first app. This is all about automation. This is the cousin, the sister, the brother of artificial intelligence, is automation. So the first app is Make.com. This is all about the most lucrative business model with artificial intelligence, which is development of your own application. You'll be able to do that with Make.com. You'll also be able to automate other tasks like get Facebook leads. Okay. You'll be able to automate likes and tweets. So you got social media usages. This is a very powerful app with incredible potential if you use your imagination in many of these features. This is at Make.com. Okay, I'm going to jump to the next app. This is more on Make.com. I need to do a separate video just on that app. This app I'm very impressed with. This is Landbot.io. You want to use Landbot because you have an opportunity to interact with your website visitors and start chatting with them. You can install the chat bot, so when people come to your site, instead of them just reading information, it's a live person there chatting with them. So this is what you can do with Landbot. It's been proven that this type of interaction increases conversions. Increasing conversions leads to increased compensation. All right, if you can understand that. So that's where you want to go, to Landbot. You can try it out for free. Make sure you tell them I sent you when you get there. All right. Going to the next app. This is Bardeen.ai. Bardeen.ai is an automation app. It will automate repetitive tasks. This is a no-code app, and it works directly from your browser. Okay, so there are repetitive tasks that you may, in online business, there's many different types of tasks that you have to do over and over again. And with Bardeen, you can cut down that task. Okay, here are some of the popular use cases. Meetings, automate the notifications. Marketing, automate your workflows. Your product development. Sales, build prospect lists. Okay, so here are many of the different use cases for Bardeen. And you can build your own. So you can add actions from other apps and integrate it into Bardeen. Very similar to what you've seen with Zapier. All right. So make sure you check out Bardeen.ai. Now, the last example, automation AI apps that I want you to take a look at, is Axiom.ai. This app you can use to scrape web pages to generate leads so that you can sell your product and service. Here's an example for Zillow. So if you're a marketer, you need people to talk to. If you're in the real estate area, you can scrape leads potentially out of Zillow. So there are different real estate agents who have their information, and instead of manually clicking page by page, you can use the robot. Okay, shake your head like this. And Axiom.ai allows you to do that. That's one use case using Zillow, but you can also automate many other social media and important applications. You could automate your Amazon store, automate your Etsy store without code. These are many popular platforms with tons of little tedious tasks, and you're going to be able to crush your competition because you're going to be using leverage so that you don't have to have more to do in the same 24-hour day. Okay. The last use case for Axiom I want you to take a look at is Amazon. Many people have the Amazon businesses. However, if you've looked into Amazon at all, there is a lot of little tasks. So here's where the automation comes in. It even says your Amazon store is full of repetitive tasks like managing your inventory, generating reports, managing reviews, and monitoring pricing. So you'll be able to do that with a tool like Axiom.ai. Make sure you subscribe at howwhy.ai so you can get all of the amazing applications. It's what you'll get when you subscribe with your email. I will send you 31 AI apps to use in your business now. You'll also get 12 businesses to start with AI today, and you'll get my email address. So when you have questions on your artificial intelligence journey, I will be there to poke fun at you. No, actually, I will be there to laugh at you sincerely. No, but I will be there to help you out. All right. So make sure you subscribe at howwhy.ai. At this point in time, I want to thank you for liking this video. If you didn't like this video, make sure you share it with someone who will. Until the next time, I'm your host, Darnell Jackson. Peace.